Rakesh, how are you? I'm good. Yeah, thank you for asking. How about you?
ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೆ. ತಮ್ಮ ದರ್ಶನ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇನು ಕಾದಿದೆಯೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Yeah, I'm good too. Thank you. Thank you for asking. Yeah. So actually, I was going through the performance metrics, and trust me, you're really doing good. In fact, you're really doing great. But
ಶುರು ಆಯ್ತು.
did you say something? Nothing. Nothing. Please go ahead. Okay. But somewhere I feel that for the kind of experience you have, you can do a lot more than what you're doing right now.
ಲಾಟ್ ಮೋರಾ ಇರೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೇ ಅರ್ಧ ಊರ್ ಬಾಗ್ಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಲಾಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಬೇರೆ.
Maybe taking up additional responsibilities and initiatives, and something like being a part of resource planning.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಗುರು, ನೀನು ಮಾಡೋ ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕರ್ಧ ಕೆಲಸನ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ ಹಂಚಿದ್ಯಾ. ಇನ್ನಿರೋ 2-3 ಕೆಲಸನ ಅದು ನನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ. ಇರೋ ಬರೋ ಕೆಲಸನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀನೇನು ಆಫೀಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಗೋಲಿನ ಆಡ್ತೀಯಾ.
And trust me, this will take you somewhere else.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಜಾಕ್ ಹಾಕಿನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ.
And that's it from my end unless you have something to discuss.
Yeah, that's a great idea. In fact, I'll definitely think on that and I'll get back to you. Yeah. ಮಗನೇ, ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿ, ಇರೋ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಗ್ನಿ ಕೂಟ.